Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be posting an updated brow tutorial. I recorded this video using my phone. My laptop is currently damaged, so that's why this video looks like this. Also, I had to cut out this brow video from a makeup look I'm going to be posting soon. Okay, so let's start. I'm going to be using this pencil, Beautyline by Didi Browgasm, and the gel liner from Blot. I'm starting off by brushing my brows in place. Next, I'm going to fill out the brows like that, the regular way you would fill your brows out. I'm just tracing out the outline of my brows, of the model's brows. I like to, when I'm drawing my brows, I don't like to pencil on skin. I just follow what the model already has there, a natural brow line. So I'm just basically filling it in with it's a soft brown pencil, so I'm just filling it in lightly. Next, I'm going to imitate brow strands by using the Blot gel liner. It is in the shade Cork. I'm using this color because I want it to really show for this video. Ordinarily, I wouldn't use something as dark as this. I like to keep my brows really natural, but because I'm shooting with my phone, I don't know how clear it will be, so I'm using something dark so that you guys can see properly. So I'm just imitating brow strands like that. I'm going to switch up to a thinner brush so that I can shade it in a darker way so that you guys can see properly what I'm trying to do. This way the brows will have like a feathered effect. Next, I'm going to clean up my brows, and I'm using Elegel concealer in the shade Fawn. I don't like to use a lot of products or a lot of concealer under my brows because it's always a big deal to blend it out without damaging the brow. So I go in with very little as possible, and I clean out as I like. Next, I'm just going to blend in the concealer into the skin so that everything will just sit right. So this is what it looks like once I'm done. Usually I would use softer shades of brown for both the pencil and the gel liner, especially the gel liner, so I can have a more natural look. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment section below and I'll try all my best to answer them. Thank you. Until next time. Bye bye.